Hi friends, I'm Miss Jasmine. Welcome to Little Hands Big Snacks. Today we're making rainbow fruit skewers. These are easy to make and fun to build. Let's take a look at our fruit. We have strawberries, mandarin oranges, pineapples, green grapes, blueberries, and purple grapes. And now it's time to build our fruit skewer. So in real rainbows, the colors go exactly like our fruit is laid out, but you can make whatever pattern you want. So while we're making it, let's say the colors and the fruit that we're using. So we have red strawberries, we have orange mandarin oranges, we have yellow pineapple. Sometimes these are hard to get in, but you can push it right through that fruit. There we go. We have green grapes, blueberries, and purple grapes. What pattern did you make? And we can also count our fruit. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 pieces of fruit. Now take a look at your rainbow skewer. Isn't it pretty? You should be very proud of yourself that you made that. Great job. I'll see you next time on Little Hands, Big Snacks.